watch that little one. Stick her whole head in that hole. She digging, she going after something. Get it, girl. Uh-oh, where'd it go? They tracking something. It must be a ground wall, because both them, they tracking it. Get it, girl. That little one just as bad as the big one now. She don't care. And him, he don't care. He ain't digging up nothing. He looking for something to pee on. It's just funny. That little one got so much heart, you don't even know. But they tracking something. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Anyway, I just thought outside of my warning death videos, death to come videos, I'd show y'all a little bit of fun my dogs are having digging after something. I love being out here. Look, went through and mowed it all down. Got all the high thicket cut down around all the trees and stuff. And so now the dogs, you know, have more room through clean area to run. But I did leave, I'll walk over here and show you. I did leave, I'm still working on everything. As you see, I got it cleared out there. I did leave a patch of what I call rabbit trails. The rabbits made little tunnels through this thicket over here, and I left them because there's still some rabbits in here. She killed one the other night. I thought I had them all out, but since she killed one, I seen another one. And but I leave them some areas to hide. I don't want her killing the rabbits, but if you look right here, you can see the little tunnels. There's probably some rabbits up in this thicket right now. But you see the little tunnel right here? Oh, see the tunnel, how far it goes down? Let me see. See it? Oh, there she goes. She knocked the dang phone out of my hand. Anyway, so the rabbits hide in this little, it's a pile of, look, go get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get him, girl. Where they at? Get him, girl. There she goes, the little one going right on in. See, and so the rabbit, there she goes. So the rabbits hide in through these thickets. So I left, I don't want them to get killed. You know, I love all animals. They was here first. So I tried to get as many of them out as I could. But so I left this whole patch. If you look, all this green top stuff right here, there's a whole patch of thicket goes all the way over there. And back right through there. I left this, but I cut the rest of it down. Of course, this is where, if y'all remember, this is where my alligator pond is going to go over here. I hadn't done it yet. Of course, had to put a roof on the place, had to get some more dirt brought in, had to do some maintenance and on the vans and stuff like that, and the move costs and everything. So I think I stood in ants. But anyway, so this is where my alligator pond is going to be. I'm getting rid of these yucca bushes again. But you see, I went through and cut all the high thicket down through 90% of it. So you can kind of see through it now. But the dogs still have, I left a few areas of high patch back here. Same thing. If you look back here, I have the same kind of thicket with the tunnels. All that green over there, you can see the tunnels going through there and there over there. I left it for the rabbits too. Here's a little patch right here. Little tunnel system. Whoa, walking into a spider web. Anyway, here's another one of those riding spiders. Let's see. You don't mind if I take a picture, do you? Look at them. Look how neat they look with the fluorescent colors. Look at that. He busy at work. Anyway, I'm gonna leave him alone and get back to it. But anyway, all right, you guys. I just thought I'd show you my crazy nut job dogs. And they love it out here, which I love it out here. It's so peaceful. You don't hear no cars running by up and down the road, loud crap going on. So nice out here. I love it. God has blessed me. He truly has blessed me in so many ways. But all right, well, I'm gonna get back to it. I hope y'all have a great day, and God bless everyone.